Hi everyone, this is Stefanie Menadi, and you already know it, you are in Stefanie Menadi's kitchen. So today I'm gonna be cooking New England clam chowder. As you can see in my hands, I have a pack of the clam shop, the cans, and after that I'm gonna be using the fresh clams. But for now, let's see what we got. I have 4 little cans of the clam shop that I'm gonna be using for my soup. Okay, this soup it's a origin of American cuisine. So let's see how it's gonna turn. Okay, right now this is some clams, some fresh clams that I bought from Publix. It's 1 pound, but basically this one we're gonna keep this one just to garnish the soup. Finally, and the celery, we're gonna dice the celery, and like I said, you can always use your vegetable stock for your clam chowder, but that's the original recipe. Just me. But right now I ran out of vegetable stock. I have a big beef stock that I made in noodle soup the other day, so it's okay, it's just for me, it's all right. Okay, so right now we're doing some mise en place. All right, mise en place, that means you prepared everything that you know you're gonna be using for your meal to make your food. So this is the celery stick. I just rinse it, and right now I just take the flowers, and then what you need, it's only the bottom part. So I am dicing it nicely, and we're gonna save it just for later, just to saute the onions and the celery and the garlic together on one pot. Okay, we're almost done. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to do that. And I do have a online store. that you can buy some product, like my own products. You can get some cremas, okay, some regular cremas, some vanilla cremas, a chocolate cremas, strawberry cremas, all different flavor that some I personally create. And the number one seller is the passion fruit cremas. People go crazy for the passion fruit cremas. Okay, as you can see, the clams are open. They're open. So you're just gonna let it sit on the other side. And right now we keep working on those ingredients right here. So smash the garlic and to just um, chop it up finely. Yes, just 4 garlic cloves and 3 potatoes, 4 celery stick, 4 can of clams, and we're gonna use some heavy cream, half and half, 1 cup of flour, season with salt and pepper, and add some vegetable stock and add the clam juice. That's all you need, and then this soup gonna be super good. Well, not maybe not for my Haitian people, but sometimes you just gotta try different culture. Don't just stick with only one thing. You never know what you might like. Okay, so this is the onion. So we're just gonna chop the onions. Okay, just make some nice cut. All right, we're almost done. We're almost done. And I have like 100 videos on my YouTube channel right now. So guys, there's so many other videos you can probably interested on. There's so many. Okay, and I have some more coming up. I'm not saying anything. Surprise! You know I love you guys so much. Oh my goodness, I cannot thank you enough for all the support. That's amazing. Especially last Christmas, man, you guys bought a lot of Christmas, like a lot of Christmas. Wow, I'm speechless. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna leave the link below of this video at the description. You're gonna find the link to follow me on my Facebook, my Instagram, and you're gonna find the link to go to the website that I sell all my products. And I don't only have cremas. You can find some dinnerware, some flatware, like everything that you need most likely for the kitchen. So we finished with the potatoes, the celery, the onions, the garlic. Right now we're just opening the cans of the clams. Maybe you were so into it to see how it looks like. That's all. It's just sharp. Okay, and you drain it, but don't throw the water out. Save the water that come from the clam. Okay, and we're just gonna use it for the bar as well, and that should be enough for us. Just 4 of them, 4 cans. We're gonna use the meat and also the water. Yummy. So we're almost done, and then right now we have some couple bacon strip. So you can do it inside the oven, but since it's not a lot, it's just maybe 5. So we're just gonna do it on the pot right here. So you don't have to add oil to do it, because the bacon has a lot of grease, and the same grease can actually cook the bacon for you. So no grease. And if you want to add some grease on your soup, you can add a little margarine butter or some olive oil. That's all. That's all. But for me, that's enough. That's enough. The same grease, I'm gonna be cooking the celery and the onions in it. The same grease from the bacon. Okay, that's amazing. So it's done. The same part. I just dropped the celery. And you will probably say, "Oh, when did Stephanie watch the celery and the potato?" I did. But sometimes if you keep showing the little things on the video is gonna be so long, and then you personally not gonna like it. I know you guys. I know. Okay, so I dropped the celery, the onions, and the garlic together. So 3 things on the pot. 3 things, and seasoning with salt and pepper, black pepper. Yes, and you're gonna keep stirring it until it caramelizes, until everything tender, cook perfectly. Okay, and in a minute we just cover it. After that, we're gonna uncover it and add the potato because you need the potato to be cooked as well. Be careful because its potato is just a little bigger than the celery and the onions. So don't worry, everything will be fine because after you caramelize everything and you're just gonna add a little liquid, we're gonna add the juice from the clams and we're gonna cover it, let it boil for the potato to be cooked. So they're not big, so um that will not take too long. So you will see. Okay, right now I'm adding the potato. So you see they're not as big the way that I cut it. So make sure when you try it, when you wanna try this soup, make sure you cut the potato just this size. Not too big, not too small, just between. Alright. So you can see that it's caramelized and get some color. So I just do that for like 10 minutes. I just keep stirring it so you don't want it to be burned. So just 10 minutes, keep doing that. And that's all. And right now we're gonna add the juice from the clam can. Okay? So nothing else. You see that? The same water that come from the clam. The can that I opened. Just four. All of them. I should drop it. Oh. That's it. Okay, so right now you're gonna just cover it, let it simmer really good, let it cook, and before that, let's just add some bay leaf. Okay, I just add it, and make sure you taste your food. Always tasting your food. Taste the food to see if it needs more salt and pepper. So I just drop the meat as well, and I add the vegetable stock, and about just 1 cup, 1 cup of vegetables. And remember, the meat was the meat that come from the can, and it's only 4 little cans. So all right. And just for the soup to be thick and has a nice color, like I said, we're gonna do some type of roux, but it's not the roux. This is 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, all-purpose flour. So we're gonna just stir it with the half and half and the heavy cream because you need your soup to be thick and have some nice color. Okay, so if you have a white wool is something that you do with butter and flour and you freeze it. When you're doing a soup or a sauce, you just grate it and then to make your soup thick. But in my case, for the clam chowder, usually we do this method. We just take some flour and add some heavy cream and then milk or half and half, and then we just stir it together, mix everything well perfectly because you don't want um clumps in it. Okay. Alright, so make sure you remove the belly because this is nasty if you're eating and then you have some belly. Always remember to remove the belly after a couple minutes, and then right now we add the mixture of the flour mixed with the half and half and heavy cream. You see the color change immediately, and then you can taste it, and then you see the texture has a nice color, nice flavor, and nice texture. So very good. I did it. I am excited. I bet you my mom not gonna eat this soup. She already told me because she doesn't like clams. She said she never had this in Haiti. She's not gonna have it. So fine. I hope my friends like it. Alright, so don't ever be afraid to try things unless if you have a seafood allergy or any type of allergy, so you have to be careful about what you're eating. But basically, I'm so blessed. I don't have any type of allergy, so good for me. I mean, I don't have any type of allergy yet. Maybe in the future, like if I eat something else, I probably allergic to it. But for now, so far, what I eat, I'm good with it. Okay, so for the bacon, you just need the bacon to garnish the clam chowder, like I told you before. So yeah, so we got the bacon and we're gonna put up. Ooh, look at that! Oh, this soup smells super good. And it looks so yummy. I cannot wait to try it. So thank you guys for your time, for your patience, for your love, for your support. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like. And don't forget to subscribe before you go if you haven't done that yet. Thank you in advance. So, like I told you, I was gonna garnish the soup with the clams, because if you say that is a clam chowder, you have to put something that clearly, when someone sees it, oh, that's clam, so that's a clam chowder. Mindset. Smart. Okay, so we have the clams. We're just gonna put it like just around of the bowl of the soup, and that's it. And you can have a little tiny bowl for your friend. Everybody can just come with a little and then have some and enjoy it. See you next time for another video. Bye bye. I hope you like it, and comment. Let me know what you think. Bye bye. Super easy and yummy. Love you guys.